Welcome to the world of cost and management accountants, professionals who contribute towards serving the society and help us appreciate the cost-effective benefits even being in this competitive world of business. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India is the largest management accounting body in Asia and the second largest management accounting body in the world. As we take you through the dream journey towards CMA excellence, let us all begin by praying to the Almighty as we have gathered here for our parents, guardians, teachers, and let their love, affection, and blessings be bestowed upon us. We owe our parents this life and are indebted to our teachers for their valuable guidance and immense contribution in shaping our career path ahead. Their love, affection, and blessings are essentially our capital, which needs to be effectively utilized to create assets. So, how do we show our love for them and make a tribute? In other words, how do we create assets? Yes, by being successful in life. Success. How do we measure success? Is it accumulation of financial wealth, intellectual capital, or is it being a good human being? Or all of these? Your journey towards a successful career begins here. Here you become a decision maker, a strategic decision maker, the decision that will shape your career and life ahead. This decision of yours makes them proud. Love, affection, and blessings of our parents cannot be measured in terms of money. We cannot put a price tag on love and affection. We can only ascertain the price of any tangible gift that we receive from them. Let us take the example of a storybook. It has a price, but we cannot ascertain its value because a storybook offers you more. A storybook lets you achieve proper exposure to a vast knowledge, acquaints you to phrases, words, and new ideas in order to sharpen your communication skills and acumen. The same goes for your textbooks. They come at a price, the one that you pay for. But can we ascertain their value? No, we cannot. Because the knowledge from these books enrich our intellectual capital and guide our life ahead. If you were to buy those in reality, would you feel that the price charged to you can range from low to affordable to high? You would, wouldn't you? But have you ever wondered, what is the cost of producing the gift or the storybook or those textbooks or cost of rendering service? Have you estimated the cost of the cell phone handsets which you may be using? Remember, what you pay is the price and what the manufacturers spend to make it is the cost. How do they estimate cost? How do they measure their profits? There is a revolution in communication and transmission which has helped us come together. What is the cost of such connectivity? The world is a global village, and we are now connected to each other by the web. But that connectivity too comes at a cost. So how do the service providers make an offer? Those lucrative offers at such attractive and affordable cost? What is the key to estimate the cost of those familiar telephone call charges per minute or per second or SMS pack? Or how do they decide on sales promotion offers like buy two and get one for free, or buy a burger and get another burger for free, and so on? Every businessman ascertains costs in their own way, even if they are not CMAs. But to calculate cost in a uniformly acceptable manner, we must enrich ourselves with the required knowledge, the specialized knowledge of cost and management accountancy. Ascertaining proper cost helps businessmen to fix the price of goods and services. CMAs are the only skilled professionals who can manage resources, men, funds, and business processes for sustainable growth and expansion of business. Being a CMA can increase your potential to generate employment opportunities and serve the social and national interest at large. As a CMA, you will have the opportunity to play a crucial role in the society for the stakeholders, customers, businessmen, government, shareholders, employees, financial institutions, and all others in the value chain, including you. A CMA can eventually earn recognition and respect as a strategic thinker and a technology accountant. So, every business, every organization has to ascertain cost scientifically, and there is a need for CMA to perform this specialized job. So, be a CMA and participate in contributing to value creation for business, society, and the nation. Every business needs to ascertain cost, and for doing that needs CMAs. Be a CMA and grab this wide area of opportunity. The journey of becoming a CMA. For 10+ students or undergraduates, there are Foundation, Intermediate, and Final course. For graduates, Intermediate and Final course. The CMA Advantage. The 10+ students can avail this very special CMA Advantage. This will empower them to stay ahead in the competition of today's world. The advantage at length. Pursue the CMA Foundation course along with your 10+2 studies. The CMA Foundation course has 4 subjects: Economics and Management, Accounting, Law and Mathematics and Statistics. The subjects are aligned with the 10+2 curriculum pan-India. You have at least 3 subjects in common along with your 10+2 curriculum. There are about 2,000 PPTs demonstrating 4 papers, topic-wise detailed presentation for your self-learning. 24/7 online mock test papers for all subjects are available for you to achieve effective and examination-oriented preparation. Foundation examinations are held 4 times a year via online mode, and that's an added convenience. Each paper is examined on 50 marks. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So what's more in store for you? Simply calculate the following benefits that will propel you to a brighter career path. Immediately after qualifying in the foundation examination, you can register for the CMA Intermediate course. This will give you at least 3 extra years of time as compared to any other graduate. The 3 years will translate into more benefits even if you choose the path of employment. Extra benefits such as socially, 3 more years of service or in practice, besides the comfort of achieving or fulfilling other needs, dreams and desires. Financially, that's 3 more years of additional earning. Just imagine a situation when you're, say, 23 or 24 years of age and you're beginning to earn at a starting pay package of rupees 10 lakhs per annum. In that regard, when you turn 60, assuming on a very conservative note, your salary would be around 60 lakhs per annum. You may gain 1.8 crores for your retirement corpus, which is equal to rupees 60 lakhs per annum multiplied by 3 years. Napoleon once said, "Nothing is more difficult and therefore more precious than to be able to decide. Decide now. You are your best judge. Ask yourself, do you want to gain more in life? Do you want your earnings to continue beyond 60 years of age? If the answer is yes to both, then being a CMA is the right decision. As a CMA, you gain earning potential and remain employable as long as you want. You can join the private or public sectors, or even start your own independent practice in the field of management consultancy, finance, taxation, accounting, auditing, and advisors for insurance, banking, and electricity sectors. CMA has a globally recognized curriculum. You can avail the benefits to acquire reciprocal membership with management accounting boards of repute across the globe. CMA course structure for Intermediate and Finals. There are 8 papers each in the Intermediate and Final course, with training on computer, communication and soft skills, and industry orientation. This is done in order to improve your employability and make you industry ready. We expose you to gain industry experience. where the theory of cost and management accountancy meets practice and reality. Our state-of-the-art course enables learning from the basics to the proficiency level of cost and management accountancy. We offer 24/7 web-based training facilities. You probably have started thinking about the cost of becoming a cost and management accountant. The cost for pursuing the CMA Foundation course is probably less than the cost of a standard cell phone or the cost of your best attire. The total fee of the intermediate and final course is even less than the yearly interest cost on education loans taken for any other course. However, this flexible investment is spread in two phases, one at the intermediate course and the other when the final course commences. There's a minimum time gap of 1 year between the two. Affordable investments are aimed to fulfill the wishes of your parents and transform your dream career into reality. Lifelong employability is assured on successful completion of the course. Financial assistance and scholarships are offered for pursuing the CMA course to meritorious students, with special reservation for female students, SC or ST students, and differently abled students. The CMA synopsis: CMAs contribute in making legitimate business profits. Behind every successful business decision, there is always a CMA. Sail through this eventful and challenging journey of becoming something more, from ledgers in business to leaders of business. So, during the journey of your life, you can enrich your intellectual capital, accumulate financial wealth. Besides being a good human being, a firm strategic decision maker, respected and honored by all. There you reach success. Catch the CMA buzz now to fulfill your dream career and gain the CMA Advantage to your credit. CMA, the eGen Management Accountants.